writing one program and we need to find out the output of this program. Like last time, I think we wrote 2 programs and found out the output as well. So main, then I'm having one array of pointers, that is static character star s. S stands for one variable. It is going to take the addresses of many variables, star s. And I'm storing the string here, ice, green, cone, and maybe please. Ice, cone, green, ice, green, cone, please. These are my strings. Now, next line, static character star ptr is equal to s plus 3, s plus 2, s plus 1, and s. Next is character star p is equal to ptr, Next is printf /n %s, comma, star plus p. I have to give this output. Printf /n s, and we are printing star minus star plus p plus 3. This is what I have to print. Next, printf /n %s star p of minus 2 plus 3. This is what we have to print. And last print is %s p of minus 1 plus 1. Okay, and very simple program. We have to find out the output of this. Everybody has written the program? Yes or no? Students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please do reply when I ask you. Please do reply, because when I am in my board, I can't see you all. So let us understand this output, how we will get this output. Okay, first we will look into the first line of this program. First line. Anybody can tell me what is the size of character? One character takes how many bytes of memory? Character takes 1 byte, integer takes 2 bytes, float takes 4 bytes, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? And if you could remember that I had told you that every string is terminated by a null character. If at the end of every string you are having a null character. This is also I had told you, if you remember, right? When we found out the length of the string, given a string, what is the size of the string, we found out the length with the help of this null character. We were searching where is that null character, and before that null character, we could count all those characters and we can tell us the answer, that what is the length of the string. Now, let us have this ice just look at my diagram, how it goes. Ice, and ice will be terminated by a null character. Then you have green. Green is also terminated by a null character. Then you have cone. Cone is also terminated by a null character. And then you have please. Please is also terminated by a null character. Okay. Now suppose my string I starts from 1000. So then C will be at 1001, E will be at 1002, and null will be at 1003. So green will start from 1004. Is that clear, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Green will start from 1004. How? 1000, 1, 2, 3, and 1004. Then R is 5, E is 6, another is 7, N is 8, and null is 9. So the next one, cone will start from 10. Is that clear? Cone will start from 10. Is that clear, students? Hello? So O is 11,
Yes,
N is 12, E is 13, again null is 14. So please will start from 1015. Is this much is clear to everybody? Bolo.
yes, sir.
Now look at your first line. This says star S. This is going to take the addresses of these words. Ice ka address, green ka address, cone ka address, and please ka address. So I'm having one array S0, S1, S2, S3. And this is taking the addresses of these four words. Four words. S0. S0 means what is that? Ice. Where is ice? Ice is at 1000. S1. S1 means green. Green ka address. Why address? Because look at this. This is a pointer. So S1 will take the address of green. Where it is? 1004. And S2, 1010. S3, 1015. Right? But what are the addresses of S0? Where is S0? S0 is containing 1000, but where it resides, suppose this resides at 1002. So this is going to be at 1004. Sorry, 1000, 2000, 2002, 2002, 2004, 2006, 2006. So this, whatever I've drawn, is your first line. S is an array of pointers. Each array pointer means addresses. S is taking the addresses of which word? Ice, green, cone, please. So I have stored the addresses. Now let us go back to the second line of this program, double star PTR. So again, I'm having PTR 0, PTR 1, PTR 2, PTR 3. And in this, what we are storing is S plus 3. Now, if you all remember that, what is your S here? What is your S? This is your S. S means 2000. S plus 1 means 2002. S plus 2 means 2004. And S plus 3 means 2006. Is that clear, students? If you could remember your last time ka program, right? S is what? 2000, address. Please say something, yes or no. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Only one student is replying. What happened to others? Yes, Mr. CR, Ajil. What in by S is the address. Address, right?
Yeah.
And S plus 1, address of the next element. S plus 2, address of the next element, and so on, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is there in PTR 0? Second line. What is there in PTR 0? PTR 0 is having S plus 3. What in by S plus 3? 2006, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And PTR 1, S plus 2, which is 2004. Then you have S plus 1, which is 2002, and S, which is 2000. Is this much is clear?
Yes.
And then the addresses of PTR. Where is this PTR residing? PTR that is 2006 is stored at 3000, 3002, 3004 and 3006. This is my second line. Whatever we have done till now. Are you clear up to the second line? If you are having any difficulty, please tell me. Are we clear up to second line?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, right? Students, are you clear up to the second line?
Sir, can you please revise a little?
No, first, okay, no problem. What I'm telling you, look at the first line, just first line. What is this S will take? S will take an array, so many values, but in this, what is the type of this S? It is a character pointer. That means it is going to take the addresses of the characters. Which characters? Ice का address, green का address, cone and please. इसका address लेगा वो. So now, before I'll store the addresses, I should know where these, strings are stored. I need to find out their address. And as we know that every character takes 1 byte of memory. So if I'm storing ice, suppose I'm starting from 1000. So ice 1000, C will be 1, E will be 1002, null will be 1003. So up to 1003, your first string is stored. Then next will start from 1004. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, up to null it is 9. Then next will start from 1010. And then 1010, 11, 12, 13, 14. Null will go up to 14. And then from 15, your please will start. Right, students? Now let us come back to the line, first line. Here, once I say S, that means S0. What is there in S0? S0 means it is, see, look at this pointer. Pointer says address of ice. Where is your ice? What is the address of ice? It is 1000, right? What is the address of green? S1. S1 is green. What is the address? 1004. Cone. What is the address of cone? 1010.
1000.
And please का address क्या है? 1015, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the array which is storing the address of ice, green, cone, please, where S0 is getting stored. So I'm assuming that S0 is stored at 2000 and next will be stored at 2002, 2004, 2006. Why? Because the value inside them is an integer value. Addresses are always integer. So that is why it is incrementing by 2 bytes. Because the value inside 2000 or 2002, 4, they are the numbers, integer. So it will increment by 2 bytes. Okay. But I know 2000 means nothing but S. 2002 is S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3. This we have seen in our previous programs. So this is your first line. Then second line says, now you are storing the address. Address of. Just wait, students. मोबाइल क्यों चला है? लाइट. Yes, student. Have you understood the first line? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Second line?
Yes, sir.
Second line is clear. That is in PTR0, what we are storing is S plus 3. PTR1 is having S plus 2, S plus 1 and S. Is that clear?
Yes,
Bolo to
sir.
se. And then my third line, P is storing PTR. What is PTR? This is my PTR. This is PTR plus 1. This is PTR plus 2. PTR plus 3. So you are having P is storing PTR. PTR means 3000. But what is the address of P? P is at 4000, suppose. Look at the line. P is PTR. What is my PTR here? Like what is by S? S is nothing but the address of the first element. Similarly, PTR is what? Address of 2006. Is that clear, students? Up to this?
Yes.
Are you clear up to this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo, let us go for the first printf. My first printf, first statement. Today I'll write properly so that if you want, you can refer this. P. What is my P right now? What we have to find out? I have to find out double star, double plus P. This is I need to calculate. What is P right now? 3000, right? What is P?
Yes, sir.
So what is plus plus P? That is plus plus in 3000. बोलो क्या हो जाएगा? बोलो सर.
3002.
Good afternoon, everyone.
3002.
SIS college in 2001. I completed almost 20 years. I've been actively participated in revamping the college website, not only SIS analyst but all other institutions, almost 3-4 websites. I'm still working as an associate assistant professor for the SIS. Thank you very much.
So if I'll do plus plus, then what will happen? Is it 3001 or 2 students? Hello?
3001.
3002, right? Because see, there is a, if I'm doing any plus here, it will go to 3002, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now one star on this, star plus plus P. That is star at 3002. What is star at 3002? Tell me. Look at the value. What is there in the star at 3002? 2004, right? Hello?
Yes.
What is the value at 3002? That is what I'm asking you. Is it 2004?
Yes, sir.
So star plus plus P is 2004. One more star plus plus P is star at 2004. What is star at 2004? Let us go to 2004. Where is 2004? This is my 2004. And star is what? 110. Star is what? What is star at 2004? 110. Sorry, 1010. 1010. So I'll write 1010. 1010. So star plus plus P is 1010. So now look at your printf statement. So what is that string which starts from 1010? Tell me which string starts from 1010?
Cone.
Cone. So what output I'm going to get here now for this first printf? First output is going to be cone, right? Student, first output will be your cone. Is that clear to everybody? How we
Yes,
got
sir.
cone, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
My second printf is, what is my second printf? Let me write down my second printf. Star minus minus star plus plus P plus 3. This is what I need to find out. Now, please, before I'll go further, anybody can tell me what is my P right now? What is my P at present? Hello?
3000.
Huh? What is my P ka value? Bolo.
3000.
1000.
P. What is my P? हो गया? हाँ?
आपका इसका करो नहीं
नहीं, तुमको डिस्टर्ब, मुझे भी दोनों को. तुम्हारा हो गया मीटिंग? तो मुझे दे दो फिर.
मीटिंग चालू है
अच्छा, तो ठीक है.
हाँ यार चलो बंद करेंगे जाने तो जाऊंगा
1 second, students. Yes, students, let us see now. I had asked you what is P. So nobody could answer this P right now. Look at this statement. In the previous printf, you have changed the value of P, which was 3000 earlier, and you have updated it to 3002. Is it clear now, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
P, which was 3000, you have changed it to 3002 now. With this, I'll go further, plus plus P. Now if I say plus plus P, this will become 3004. I don't think anybody is having any objection on this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
With this, I'll take one step further. Next star plus plus P, that is star at 3004. Anybody tell me what is star at 3004? It's 2002, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will write 2002. 2002 star plus plus P is 2002. Now I'm writing next add here minus minus star plus plus P. That is minus minus in your 2002. So if I'm doing minus minus in 2002, where is 2002? This is my 2002. This 2002 means you are talking about this. And minus minus will take you to 2000. Like just एक बार plus plus करते it increases by 2. So minus minus भी करेंगे it will decrease by 2, right? Student.
Yes.
Yes.
So ये हमें कहाँ पे लेके जाएगा? This will bring us to 2000. What I'm going to get is 2000. Now star minus minus star plus plus P. So that is star at 2000. What is star at 2000? Tell me. What is star at 2000? 1000, right?
Yes.
Star at 2000 is 1000. So right now I am at 1000. So star minus minus star plus plus P is at 1000. But the story is not yet over here. So I have to write star minus minus star plus plus P plus 3. That is 1000 plus 3. What is 1000 plus 3? What is 1000 plus 3, students? 1003. 1003. Now what is the 1003? Where are you right now? I am at, see, look at this. This is 1000. This is 1001, 1002, 1003 means you are at null. You are at, where are you at for 1003? आप यहाँ पे आ गए, right? Where are you right now? You are at null, right, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because ये 1000 है, this is 1001, ये 1002, and null is 1003. This is 1003. So what is that string which you are going to print at 1003? Is there anything to print?
Ice.
Hello? Hello?
Sir,
What will be printing? Huh?
Ice.
No, where is ice? Because where is your pointer right now? आप कहाँ पे हो right now? You are at 1003. How will you go back? Because if you are at 1000, then only you can print ice. Getting my point? You are standing where? You are standing at 1003. That means you are standing at the location 1003. What is there to print?
Nothing.
There is nothing to print. There is nothing to print. So my second printf is going to be blank line. Okay, second is no output, blank. Let us go for the third one. Let us go for the third one. Is that clear, students?
Yes.
Hello? What is the third one you have to print? Third में क्या करना है? Student, third क्या करना है? Star P of minus 2 plus 3. मुझे print करना है star P of minus 2 plus 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes or no? Student.
Yes.
Anybody can tell me what is my P right now? Let me see who can tell me what is my P right now. Bolo.
3004.
Yes, it is
3004.
3004. P is 3004. Very good. Now before I'll go further, I do not know whether last time which you have seen that A of 2 is equal to star A plus 2. Do you remember this? Students, do you remember this? Hello? See, again, if you don't remember this, I will show you once again. A1, A2, A3, A4 and A4. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. What is this? This is A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3 and A plus 4, right? Right, students? So
Yes,
if I'll
sir.
say print %d A plus 2, what will I get? Print A plus 2, what will you get?
6.
6.
Huh?
6.
अरे कभी सुधरोगे तुम लोग? A plus 2 means, what is A plus 2? What is A? A is 1000. What is A plus 1?
Yeah. 1002.
What is A plus 2?
1000.
So what will I get here?
Oh,
1004. So if I wanted 6, then I will write that as star of A plus 2. That means what is the value at 1004, right? Student, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So what you will get now? You will get 6 now. Now, but the same 6 you can get it by %d A of 2. This will also give you 6. So that means, can I say that A of 2 is nothing but star A plus 2?
Yes.
Do you agree with this now? You all agree with this now, or you are not agree?
Agree.
Agree. If you want to check, you can also check for 3. That is printf %d star A plus 3. What is star A plus 3? Just check. A plus 3 कितना आएगा? 1006. Star is 8, right? What is star? Is 8. And similarly, you can check %d A of 3. Will also give you 8, right?
Yes.
Student. So can you again see in general that is A of 3 is also star A plus 3, right? Students, बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
can I say in general that is A of n for any value, it is star A plus n, right?
Yes, sir.
For any value in general, if it is A1, it is star of A plus 1. If it is A5, it is star of A plus 5. Is that clear? बोलो जल्दी से. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Students, yes. चलो
Yes.
हम लोग अभी देखते हैं. Now let us come back to this point. P is 3004. Let us talk about P of -2. Can I write this with your permission as star P of -2? बोलो. क्योंकि अगर हम केवल 2 करेंगे, look at this again. If it is P of 2, can you write this as P plus 2? Yes or no? Like A of 2 is star A plus 2, so P of 2 will be star of A plus P plus 2, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Is it correct? Whatever I have written right now.
Yes, sir.
So this is but not a plus sign. This is a minus sign. So here I will write minus. So this also I replace with minus. Minus. Is that clear? Do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Chalega?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. So star of P is what? 3004. minus 2. Tell me your answer. What is 3004 minus 2?
3000.
3002.
3000. Very good. I'm very happy. Whoever has answered this is going to be 3000. What is star at 3000? What is star at 3000? Chalo check karo. 2006, right?
Yes.
Star at 3000 is 2006. So we are at 2006. That means P of minus 2, you have got 2006. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So again, put one more star before P of minus 2 and tell me what is star of 2006. What is star at 2006? Look at your diagram. 2006. Where is 2006? 2006 means I'm talking about this. What is star at 2006? 1015. Right? Student. Star at value at 2006. 1015. Right?
Yes, sir.
So I am writing 1015. Story is not yet over here. I have to go with star P of minus 2 plus 3. That is 1015 plus 3. What is your answer? It's going to be 1018, right? Hello? What is your answer? 1018, right, student? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So where you are right now, where you are positioning right now, where is your pointer? Let us check your pointer. So look at this. This is my, what I can say here is my 15. ये हमारा 1016 होगा. ये 17 होगा. This is 18. Yes, 18. 18 means right now you are standing at A. You are pointing at A. So what string will start printing from A? What output will you get, students? I am going to get from A. From A means now it is going to print A S E. A S E. Student, from 1018. So it will start from 1018. It will print A, S, and E, and null character means that is the end of the string. So it is going to print A, S, E. Is that clear? Hello? Student?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Anybody having any doubt, please ask. Shall I go ahead with the next one? Students, next वाला करें? बोलो जल्दी fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, somebody saying something. Hello?
Next.
What is the next thing which we have to find out now? Look at this. P of minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 plus 1. Oh, what is your P right now? What is my P?
3004.
3006.
3004. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. And before I show you that output, we have to do little bit of what you can say homework. Suppose I am having one array A3, 3 is equal to maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? If I'll print %d a, what will I get? Output. Printf %d a0. क्या मिलेगा हमको आउटपुट? What is your output if I'll say printf a? What will you get? What is your output? Student, bolo. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is your output? Students?
Sir, can you
Anyone?
repeat question?
Look at this question. What is your output? So no idea what is your output, right? Let me answer this question. I'm having these values. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if this is at 1000, 1002, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, right? 10, 12, 14, 16, yes. Now, if I'll say A means what? So this is your A0. This is your A1. This is your A2. A0, so this is A, you know that this is at 0, 0. This is 0, 1. This is 0, 2. This is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So A0, 0, A0, 1, A0, 2, right? So then you have 1, 0, 1, 1, A11, A12. Similarly, you have A20, A21, and A22. Is that clear, students? So if I'll say A, A means 1000. What output will I get? 1000. A means student. A means
1000.
1000. So A is 1000. So look at this. When I'm saying the number, this particular row, ये वाला जो row है हमारा A0 है. So A00, 01, 02. This particular row is A1. This particular row is your A2. So if somebody saying that print A0, so A0 means which row you're talking about? First row, 1, 2, 3 wala row. So what output it will print if I'm saying A0? Student, if I'll say print A0, what is your answer?
1000.
1000 only. Because again, it cannot do any differentiation. A0 means again, because there are 3 elements, so it cannot say it is going to print 1, 2, 3. It will print 8000 only. If I'll say print A1, tell me what is your answer? A1.
1002.
No. A1.
1006.
From where your A1 starts? A1 starts from 4. No, A1 starts from 4. What is the address of 4?
1006.
Yes. So yes, 1006, right? So if I am saying A1, it is going to print 1006. And if I'll say A2, where is your A2?
1012.
1012. 1012 is your A2. Now, if somebody is telling you what is the address of 5, what is the address of 5? Tell me. Do you have the address of 4?
A11.
No, ठीक है वो A11 ठीक है मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ. What is the address of 4? A1, right?
Yes, sir.
Address of 4 is A1. And A1 plus 1 करेंगे तो किसका एड्रेस मिलेगा? A1 plus 1 करेंगे I'll get address of 5. Plus 2 करेंगे I'll get address of 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Students, A0, see A0 plus 1 करेंगे, so which address I'll get? I'll get the address of 2. A0 plus 2 करेंगे तो address of 3, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if I'll do A1 plus 1, I'll get address of 5. A1 plus 2, address of 6. A2 plus 1, address of 8. And A2 plus 2 is address of 9. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that much clear? ये इतना clear है कि नहीं clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what? So if I'll print %d star of A1 plus 1, what output will I get? बोलो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? A1 plus 1 star. तो ये A1 plus 1 क्या है? ये तो 5 का एड्रेस था. Before that address, if I'll put star, what will I get? चलो फिर से बात करते हैं. A1 हमारा क्या है? Just A1. Is it 1006 from the diagram?
Yes, sir.
A1 plus 1 कितना होगा? प्लस 1 करेंगे तो 1008 होगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो स्टार लगा दो एक बाहर. दैट इज स्टार एट 1008 क्या है?
5.
5. वेरी गुड. नाउ प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ये क्या है हमारा. व्हाट इज A1? डू यू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग? डू यू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग? A1. इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर,
1004.
नो फॉरगेट अबाउट वो. A1 का रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है हमारा? Can I write A1 as, with your permission, it is nothing but star A plus 1 plus 1. ये correct है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? ये clear है कि नहीं clear है?
Clear, sir.
Student, clear है. Now if
Yes,
I wanted
sir.
to print, if I wanted to print 5, I can say A11 is also giving us 5. ये भी हमको 5 ही देगा, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I say in general that A11 is nothing but star A plus 1 plus 1? Both are one and the same thing. Right? A of 1, 2 is nothing but star A plus 1 plus 2. A12. A22 कैसे लिखोगे आप? A22 स्टार ये वाला A2 कैसे लिखेंगे? A plus 2 plus 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are clear up to this, let us go back to my statement. My statement was fourth statement. Let us check what is my statement. P of क्या था हमारा? P of -1 plus 1 है हमारा. I am into my statement, fourth one. P of -1 और +1, इसका आउटपुट हमको निकालना है. So if I will write P of 1 इतना ही लिखते हैं. तो तुम्हारा लैंग्वेज में can I write this as star P plus 1 plus 1? ये करेक्ट है क्या? Just now,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
we studied. From whatever we had studied, can we replace this P11 by this statement? You all agree with
Yes,
this?
sir.
If you all agree with this, then I will, as per the question, I'll put minus sign on this, and then this plus I will remove with the minus here, both the places. I am putting minus. You all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you all agree with this, then star. Do you remember what is P right now? कि भूल गया सब कुछ. P was 3004, right?
Yes, sir.
-1. So star एक बाहर लगा हुआ है star. What is 3004 minus 1?
3002.
3002 minus 1. What is star at 3002? Let us check what is star at 3002. Where is my diagram? Star at 3002 is 2004, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will write 2004 over there. किधर है हमारा question? Is 2004. So 2004 minus 1. But what is 2004 minus 1, students? 2002, right? Student.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
What is
Yes,
star
sir.
at 2002? What is star at 2002? Just check your diagram. 2000 star at 2002. 2002 ये है उसका स्टार है 1004, right?
Yes, sir.
स्टार
Yes.
क्या है उसका? 1004. So right now, where we are right now, we are at 1004. 1004. Now, so we got P of minus 1 as 1004. So what is P of minus 1 plus 1, which is 1004 plus 1, which is 1005, right? 1005. Is that clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is there in my diagram at 1005? At 1005, क्या है हमारा? 1005. It is starting from, this is my 1005. So it will start from REEN. It will print REEN. It will print what? It will print REEN. Is that clear, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is what it's going to print. Now, whatever you have seen, let us write a program, same thing, and we wanted to see the output practically. I have understood explanation how we are getting this, but now we wanted to cross-check this, students, whatever we have done. I hope you all have written this properly today. Nobody has made any mistake, right?
yes, sir.
This is what we have done today. I think ये क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, entire thing is there. Now we'll practice this with the help of a program. So program was little bit थोड़ा आज सबसे भारी था. It was not as easy as what you have seen last time, right? So main, what we have written here, first line is static character star s is equal to ice green phone and then you have please. This is what is your first line. Second line was static character star star PTR is nothing but your s plus 3, s plus 2, s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 1 comma s. And then third what you had is character triple star p is equal to PTR. And then printf. First printf was %s star star plus plus p. Next, %s star minus minus star plus plus p plus 3. This is what we have to print. And then printf slash n p of -2 plus 3. Then the last one is printf slash n percentage s comma p of -1 plus 1, and then at the end I'll write get ch. And let us save this with some file name pointer 4.c. comma किधर है? What is expected is comma, it is saying. Oh, इसका वजह से. Let us see the output now. क्या भाई स्टूडेंट्स, आउटपुट गड़बड़ हो रहा है? CLR SCR P of -2 star s plus 3 s plus 2 s plus 1 . Oh, we could see only what you can say cone and reen. बाकी किधर है? Second is blank. Third is ace किधर है students? Percentage s p of -2. Student, hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you understood the program? Yes or no?
Yes,
Friends?
sir.
Huh? Have you understood program?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा difficult है, right?
Yes, sir.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही था, थोड़ा हेवी है, तो थोड़ा इजी वाला देते हैं एक दो आपको, वेरी इजी, सो दैट यू कैन बिल्ड. बोलो सर.
Hello, sir.
हाँ,
Sir,
बोलो.
can you repeat the static CHAR part? Like static word was used.
That I will repeat that. There are 4 words which is going to come up, and I remember what I have to tell you. Static, extern, and all these things. I'll tell you these are the different types of storage classes. Again, to repeat this, again I require 1 lecture for this, and I'll repeat this, all these things. Okay? Before.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
But even though if you want to remove that word also, you'll get the output, don't worry. But I will repeat all that. Static I'm removing so that there will not be any confusion. Still you could see the output, save this. Illegal initialization, static चाहिए उसको, pointer है. Static. So let us take the smaller one, छोटा वाला जरा करते हैं, so that you can build your confidence. क्या हो गया, कौन बात कर रहे हैं? Risha, who is disturbing it? Yes, Cap, who is this? Trisha, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Trisha, where are you? Please come in the video. Trisha Shivakaran. Trisha, are you there? Ajil, you have informed sir about the timing.
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. Trisha, where are you? Please come in the video. Trisha, she is not there, so I'll remove her. उसका सब सिबलिंग भाई बहन लोग लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं आराम से. So I'll remove her then. Permanently I'll remove her from the meeting itself. Very good. Cholo, let us write down the next program. Students, you have a number, main, integer A. A is an array where you have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And then I'm having one integer pointer, very simple, star ptr, and then for ptr is equal to a plus 4, ptr is equal to a plus 4, ptr is greater or is equal to a, comma ptr minus minus, and what I'm printing here is printf %d star ptr. Can anybody tell me what is the output of this? अगर हमने we have done such a big program, this is a very simple with single star. We have gone up to 3 star. And I know that you require my help, so without wasting my time, I will help you out here. A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Let us store the values 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 6, and 8, and 10. So addresses, suppose I'll say 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. So PTR, look at this for loop. PTR is A plus 4. What is A? A is 1000. A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3, and A plus 4. Is that clear, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what is PTR right now? What is PTR? 1008, right?
Yes,
PTR.
sir.
And what is A right now? What is A right now as per this diagram?
1000.
So is 1008 is greater or is equal to 1000?
No, sir.
Is 1008 is greater or is equal to 1000?
Yes.
No, sir.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Is 1008 8 PTR is 1008?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is greater. I thought 1000 would be greater.
No, is 1008, which is PTR right now, A plus 4. A plus 4 means 1008. It is greater. So condition is satisfied. So condition is satisfied. That means I need to print. So what is PTR right now? PTR is 1008, right? PTR is 1008. So star at 1008. What is star at 1008? 10. क्या आएगा? Student, PTR is what? What is PTR? 1008.
1008.
What is star at PTR? What is star at 1008?
10.
10.
10 आएगा. Then PTR minus करो. What is PTR right now? 1008 minus करो.
1006.
Yes.
1006.
Very good. So 1006. So right now my current PTR is 1006. Is it greater than 1000?
Yes.
Yes. So what is
Yes,
PTR?
sir.
What is PTR right now? PTR is 1006. What is star at PTR? Bolo star at 1006.
8.
8.
So my next output is 8. Now again you subtract PTR minus. So what is your new PTR?
1004.
1000.
1004. Is that 1004 is greater or is equal to 1000?
Great.
Yes.
So what is star at 1004?
6.
6. Again you go for one more subtraction. One PTR minus. So what is your new PTR?
1002.
1002.
Yes, 1002. Is it greater or is equal to 1000?
Yes.
Yes.
So again, what is PTR? PTR is 1002. Star will give you 4, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Again you go for PTR minus. So PTR is 1002 minus. Bolo.
1000.
1000. Is 1000 is equal to 1000?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So what is star at 1000?
2.
2. Again go for minus. 1000 ka minus. 998.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is 998 is greater than 1000?
No.
No.
No, sir.
So
No,
stop printing. Not to do anything. Stop printing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
हुआ? नहीं clear हुआ?
हो गया सर.
वेरी गुड. ऐसा होना चाहिए. सिंपल. थोड़ा तो कॉन्फिडेंस आया सर. एक प्रोग्राम तो हमको समझा, राइट?
यस सर.
नहीं समझा अभी भी?
समझा सर.
समझा सर.
चलो मैं समझ गया तो दूसरा दे रहा हूं मैं आपको. मेन integer a is again you have same values, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 suppose, and then integer i star ptr, I and ptr. So for I is equal, sorry, for ptr is equal to address of A0, I is equal to 0, I is less or is equal to 4, I plus plus, printf %d, ptr I. Now tell me, what is your answer? PTR I. Print PTR I. Follow students. Same program. Still you want my help, right? So let us see. I know that. So I'm giving you the output here. My numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Addresses are 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Now once I say PTR is address of A0, matlab address of A0 is 1000. So my PTR is 1000. Is that clear? PTR is how much? 1000. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or?
Yes, sir.
Now please think about this line. PTR I. ये PTR I, can I write this as star PTR plus I with your permission?
Okay, sir.
हमने किया है ना ऐसा? We have seen this, no, right? A of 1 is written as star A plus 1. A of 2 is written as star A plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, PTR I can write it as star of PTR plus I. Okay, what is PTR right now? 1000, right? What is PTR
Yes,
right
sir.
now? And what is I right now? I is 0. I is 0. So 1000 plus 0 is how much?
1000.
So what is star at 1000?
1.
1. So it will print 1. It will print 1. Tell me the next value of I. I will be 1. I will be 1. So 1000 plus 1?
1002.
1002.
1002. What is
1002.
star at 1002?
2.
2.
2. I plus 1. So now this is going to become 2. What is 1000 plus 2? 1000 plus 2.
1002.
1000.
1000 plus 2.
1004.
1004.
1004.
1004.
What is star at 1004?
3.
3.
3.
3.
Now the next value of I is going to be 3. 3. What is 1000 plus 3?
1006.
1006.
1006. What is star at 1006?
4.
4. Next I, 1004. 1000 plus 4.
1008.
1008. What is star at 1008?
5.
5.
5. Is that clear? Have you understood the
Yes.
output? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. बहुत slow तुम लोग का processing है. Very slow. Let us go for the next one. Last one for the day. Last one for the day. Let us, who can give me the output? Main integer A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Integer I star P and for P is equal to A, P is equal to A, comma, I is equal to 0, I is less or is equal to 4, I plus plus. I'll change my statement here. I is equal to 0, comma, P plus I is less or is equal to A plus 4, semicolon, P plus plus, comma, I plus plus. I plus plus, P plus plus, I plus plus. Printf %d star of P plus I. And this is the end of the program. Tell me what is your output. So let us go for this one table. Let us make the table so that we can understand this. That is A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1000, 2, 4, 6, 8. Once I say P is equal to A, so what is P right now? 1000, right? Students, once I say P is A, what is P right now? Hello?
1000.
1000. I is 0. Look at the condition here. Look at the condition here. P plus I. That is P is 1000. 1000 plus 0. So 1000 plus 0 is 1000. A is 1000 plus 4. 1000 plus 4 is 1008. Is 1000 is less or is equal to 1008?
Less.
Tell me fast. So then
No.
what is your... अरे कौन नो बोलता है? 1000 is less or is equal to 1008?
Yes, sir.
1000 is less or is equal to 1008, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is P right now? What is P?
1000.
Hello, sir.
What? What? What?
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Who is this now?
Sir, we can't hear any sound.
Huh?
We can't hear any audio, sir.
Who is this now?
Who, sir?
Who is this? I mean, ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है?
Sir, we can't hear.
We can't hear you.
You can't?
No, sir.
ये किसका ऑडियो आ रहा है? ऐसा मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir, no one's audio is on, sir, and we can't hear
अरे
anyone's
फिर
audio.
आवाज कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Sir, हम लोग को नहीं आ रहा.
इसको क्लोज करके करें, फिर से देख. नहीं आ रहा है ना? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना कौन है ये?
No, sir. Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, Nimesh sir started the meeting, sir.
ठीक है, चलो, you all move there. I'll take next time. ठीक है?
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
हाँ.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
चलो, bye.
Thank you, sir.